For number 30D, we're looking at -1 to the power n, Cn 9 to the power n, and we know that Cn 6 to the power n is divergent, so we can kind of think that that's probably going to be divergent as well. So we're going to do a limit comparison test here. So we're going to do the limit as n goes to infinity, comparing the series that we want to know about, -1 to the n, Cn 9 to the power n, and we're going to compare it to a diverging series and see what happens. So these terms, when I do the limit, these terms are going to cancel out. I'm going to get an alternating series. So what I end up is going to end up like this. I'm going to end up with -1 to the power n, and this is going to end up being 9 over 6 to the power n. And this is going to be infinite. Okay, when I should put absolute value around here, we know that this is going to be greater than a limit. In fact, it's infinite. Maybe going to make it equal to infinity here. It's equal to infinity, which is bigger than the limit. So by one-sided comparison test, because the 6 to the power n is divergent, and we know that 9 to the power n is even bigger, it is more divergent, so it is divergent. So by one-sided limit comparison, it is divergent. Okay, and again, it's because we're comparing that to a diverging series. It is the limit, when we do a limit comparison test, it's equal to infinity, which is bigger than a limit. So they don't behave the same. However, the one that we're testing for behaves in an even bigger fashion. Therefore, it's more divergent or just divergent.